Hello, everybody, and welcome to the episode of the Crown Lounge. So, to further your Cinco de Mayo celebrations, if you're having house parties, whatever, and you got someone gifted you some mule cups for the holidays, and you don't really use them. Here's a perfect time to celebrate your Cinco de Mayo with a Mezcal Mule, right? So first, we're going to go with 3 slices of cucumber. Next, we're going to use some agave nectar or agave syrup, 3/4 of an ounce, or half an ounce, I'm sorry. We'll do half an ounce. And we're going to want to muddle this together. Next, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of mezcal. We're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of pure lemon juice, or freshly squeezed, not pure. It's the same thing. Anywho, then last, we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit puree. So in my mind, these are weird combinations already. Passion fruit, cucumbers. But it has to be good. Give it a good stir. Or you can use a shaker cup. Next, we have our mule cup full of ice. I'm going to strain it into there. If you don't want chunks, you can double strain it. But I don't mind the chunks. Last, to make it a mule, we got to have ginger beer. So top it with ginger beer. And there you have it. A Mezcal Mule for your Cinco de Mayo. Let's see how good is it. That works. As much as I didn't think it was going to work, because who mixes cucumbers and passion fruit, right? But, oh man. I don't think it make this better if I had used like something spicy in it. But this is a winner. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.